Hi, I'm Brian. I'll be quickly running through Lab 5. So we have everything set up. We have the multi-nodes. Just going to scroll down a bit more. We have the multi-nodes that's going to set up at the bottom. But here, this is where it's going to pull from the documents from the data directory, which I have Gingerbread Man and 3 Little Pigs. But if there is none, I just quickly wrote a summary of 3 Little Pigs here. Alright, so here's node 1. Node 1 decides whether or not to go to node 2 or 3. If it needs to pull from the documents or it needs to generate its own. So we have retrieve from the documents and we have generate something new. So we would see it down here in the console depending on what its choice is. At the bottom here we should append the query and the response so that we have the chat history. So here we have the additional workflow, adding the nodes. This is the code for the front end. So we should be able to constantly update the chat, have a new container holding the, it's showing what was the chat history. So we're asked question, what was the third pig's house made of? So we're going to see here, it's going to retrieve, it's a factual query. Retrieving, generating, third pig's little brick. So now we're going to ask something that's not factual. What your opinion on the pig? Only describes that, not my opinion. So cannot be answered without retrieval, depending on generate, and apparently this is what it's going to generate. Okay, so we have what we type in, we have the front end, we have the back end. All right, that's the end of the demo.